फ्रेंड्स, नमस्कार। इस वीडियो में हम डिस्कस करेंगे कि कभी-कभी जीएसटी डिपार्टमेंट क्या करता है कि आपके इलेक्ट्रॉनिक क्रेडिट लेजर में नेगेटिव बैलेंस इंसर्ट कर देता है। और स्पेशली जो सेंट्रल जीएसटी है उसके दो डिपार्टमेंट हैं, डीजीजीआई और एंटी इवेजन। और इसमें डीजीजीआई इन मेनी केसेस इंसर्ट्स द नेगेटिव बैलेंस इन योर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक क्रेडिट लेजर फॉलोइंग रूल 86A ऑफ द सीजीएसटी रूल्स। और फ्रेंड्स, इसमें एक बड़ी इंपॉर्टेंट और सेलिब्रेटेड जजमेंट है ऑनरेबल दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट की, बेस्ट कॉप साइंसेस वर्सेस यूनियन ऑफ इंडिया, जिसमें ऑनरेबल दिल्ली हाई कोर्ट ने ये कैटेगोरिकली कहा है कि जीएसटी डिपार्टमेंट कैन नॉट इंसर्ट नेगेटिव बैलेंस इन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक क्रेडिट लेजर एज इट इज नॉट अलाउड अंडर रूल 86A ऑफ द सीजीएसटी रूल्स। बिकॉज रूल 86A जो है वो स्पेसिफिकली बात करता है कि when the commissioner or the other officer not below the rank of assistant commissioner has reasons to believe, और क्या reasons to believe है कि जो रजिस्टर्ड पर्सन है उसने fraudulently input tax credit avail किया है, in that scenario the commissioner or the officer authorized may block or may restrict the use of amount available in the credit ledger. The important point is that the amount available in an electronic credit ledger can be restricted for its use. Now, suppose I have a zero balance in my electronic credit ledger. So whether they can block that zero balance? In my humble opinion, since the amount available in electronic credit ledger is zero, it cannot be blocked. And in case, suppose an officer has reasons to believe that I have utilized or I have availed 20 lakh rupees of input tax credit, which is basically fraudulently availed, and I don't have any balance in my credit ledger. So now the important point is whether that 20 lakh rupees can be negatively inserted in my electronic credit ledger or not. Honorable Delhi High Court categorically and clearly stated that this will not be allowed under 86A, and all those orders were quashed by Honorable Delhi High Court. Now, since this judgment was very pragmatic judgment, and now this matter went up to Honorable Supreme Court, and recently Honorable Supreme Court, in case of a very pragmatic, very important judgment, that DGGI versus Super Products, the reported judgment by Taxman, it's 2025-174 taxman.com 1084 Supreme Court, and the SLP number is 21064 of 2025. And Honorable Supreme Court has categorically stated, and I'm reading the remarks of Honorable Supreme Court, and Honorable Supreme Court categorically stated that no case of interference is made out in exercise of our jurisdiction under Article 136 of the Constitution of India. The SLP is accordingly dismissed. Honorable Supreme Court categorically denied for interference in the judgment, very pragmatic judgment by Honorable Delhi High Court, and was authored by Justice Bakru, who is now the Chief Justice of Karnataka High Court. Very important judgment is upheld by Supreme Court. Now, the important and the moot point is, whenever any department inserts negative balance, you please quote this best cop sciences, which is upheld by Supreme Court in case of super products, and the SLP number is already given to you. And this judgment was recently reported by the major, you can say, publisher taxman.com also, and you can take benefit of this judgment in your future endeavors. So I hope you find this video to be useful. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a nice day.